Hey everybody, we're gonna be making some kale chips today. Pretty easy. I got some olive oil, cut up, cleaned and washed this kale. Got some olive oil on there. Get some salt, get some pepper, if you want the pepper. Got some lemon juice, and that is about it. And we're just gonna throw this in an oven about 350 and about halfway. Just flip it over like what I'm doing right here. Really easy. And a really interesting thing about this recipe is that you will get some massive crisp from these like really hearty vegetables. You could probably try this with something else, and you just get massive crisp. And yeah, it is something you gotta try. Something you gotta try. Don't waste your money on that Whole Foods expensive $5 a bag for some Whole Foods. Not not affiliated with them. But don't spend your money on that whole paycheck stuff. You know what I'm saying? Go save your money. If you can find some organic kale, get that organic kale. Help a farmer out, and yeah, just get a higher quality product. But here, it is all pretty much done. It's a little burnt, a little bit overdone for my taste, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay. And I totally forgot to add the lemon rind, but I'll add that at the end. It's fine. You can't really mess this up. Even if you just put oil and salt, you don't even need lemon juice. You're gonna get something real good. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of it. It'll probably last me a week. So pretty healthy snack, pretty good fat, pretty high in fiber. So if you want that crunch, but you're on a diet, this is a pretty good alternative. Yeah, I got the little garnish, and I hope you try out this dish. And yeah, I hope you're doing well. See you on the next episode.